Hello guys, what's up? In this video I will tell you about some lists that are mostly used in HTML. So let's begin. There are around about 3 types of lists. The first one is the order list, the second one is the unordered list, and the third one is the description list. Order list stand for OL, unordered list stand for UL, and the description list stand for DL. Order list. This tag defines an order of a list. Order list can be numerical and alphabetical. Unordered list. This tag defines an unordered list. Unordered list can be circle, square, or etc. Description list. This tag defines a description of a list. A description list is similar to other lists, but in description list, each list items contain two entries, a term and a description. The structure of description list is just like this. First, we write the DL opening tag and DL closing tag. Inside it we will write the DT tag and DD tag. DT stand for description term and DD stand for description definition. So let's begin. First of all, we will click on our VS Code and click on Explorer and select a file name as lists.html. Now I will click to go live and our web page will be automatically been opened. Now you can see that our web page is live now. Now I will write the basic structure, which is HTML. Inside the HTML I will write the head tag, and for changing the title I will write the title tag, and I will write my lists of web, and I will gonna save it and refresh it. Now you can see that the title has completely changed to my lists of web. Now the next that I will write will be the body tag. Now if I want to add an image inside my title bar, I will just write link. Now in this lecture I will tell you even more shorter way that how we can add an image inside a title bar. So I will just remove the style sheet, which is written in the rel double quotes, and I will write just icon. And inside the href double quotes I will just write the path of our image, which was omg.jpg, and I will save it. Now you can see that the title image has been changed. That's how we will add an image in our title bar. Now the first list that we will discuss will be order list, which stands for OL. Inside the order list we will use small list, which stands for li, and we will write list about 4 times. Now I'm gonna write a grocery list. So first of all I will write, suppose, mangoes, because in Asia there is a season of mango. Now I will write lemon, because it is good for health, and I will write watermelon, and at last I will write apple. It's an all saying that after eating an apple you don't need to see a doctor. Now I'm gonna save it. Now you can see that the sequence is in 1 2 3 4. I can extend it by copy this content, and I will paste it here, and I will save it. Now you can see that the words are further extended to 5 6 7 8. Now if I want to change the sequence to Roman or alphabets, so I will just write type inside the OL tag opening, and inside the double quotes I will write suppose A, and I will save it. Now you can see that the words are in A B C D E F. Now if I want to write in Roman form, so I will write capital I, which stand for Roman, and I will refresh it. Now you can see that the words are in Roman. That's how we will add an attribute in an ordered list. Now the next list that I will discuss will be unordered list. Unordered list stand for UL, and inside a UL I will just copy the content and paste it here, and I will save it. Now you can see that there is a little bit difference between ordered list and unordered list. And for example, I will write UL again, and inside a UL I will write this list again, and I will save it. Now you can see that the dots are being blank now. That's how we will use an unordered list. Now the third one is the description list, which stands for DL. Inside the DL we will write DT, which stand for description term, and I will write suppose computer, and I will save it. And I will use DD, which stand for description definition, and inside it I will use garbage sentence, which is suppose lorem, and I will save it. Now you can see that that's how we will gonna use an description list in our HTML web page. Now in this video we had discussed about three types of list: order list, unordered list, and description list. That's all for now. Take care. Goodbye.